Hey everyone, we're still aboard the Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas, back in this casino for our last night of play. I'm sitting down at Happy and Prosperous. I'm going to put 100 in and we'll see what comes of it. This is a higher limit machine. And we're going to get started. But before we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. And if you don't mind, please share the video with someone. All right, guys, let's get ready. Let's go. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. We're going to start right here on that 5-cent denom. And we'll take a couple of spins. Got $1 back on that. Come on, one more. Okay, what did we get on that? Great, $6.25 back on that. And we are going to step it up to $5 bets. All right. I think we'll jump up to our 10-cent and see what's happening here. Nothing much. $1.50 back on that. I thought it was just me the first couple of nights, but their casino is very tight. So all I can suggest is if you're going to play on a casino boat, particularly this one, keep in mind that the goal is to earn the free cruise. I'm 400 points away from earning a free cruise, so I'm just going to keep playing regardless of how the machines are actually doing me. I know that's kind of counterproductive, but there's a goal. Unbelievable. How did you do? All right, $10.50 back on that. Which is the dragon. All right, guys, I'm going to find something else to play, and I'll be back. I may even reload this machine, to be quite honest with you. Yeah, you know what, you guys, let's do that. Let's just... put another 100 in and just see. Getting into a bonus is very challenging. Try a $10 bet, maybe. This one ain't doing shit. Yeah, but it's giving small bonuses. Yes. Once again, the machine has eaten my money. I'm just spinning it down. It's the making of fool. See? We're gonna move on, go find us something else. But I have gotten myself to 1,158 points, and I only need 1,500 points for a free cruise. So we're almost there. I'll be back.